Mississippi law allowing discrimination okayed in the Fifth Circuit. So Mississippi State House Bill 1523, a religious objections bill that allows government officials and service providers from doctors to store clerks to refuse to serve LGBT people, has been cleared and will go into effect Friday, October 6th, so this Friday, after the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals refused a request for a full court review to rehear the three-judge panel's decision of upholding the lower court ruling. They're saying they have no standing. As a result, the law prohibits the state from taking action against religious organizations that decline employment, housing, or services to same-sex couples, families of adopted children, individuals who offer wedding services, and want to decline facilities for same-sex weddings. The bill will also allow individuals working in medical services to decline transgender people reassignment surgery. The bill will also allow state government employees who facilitate marriages the options to opt out of issuing same-sex marriage licenses, and on and on. So Robert Duff, an attorney in Jackson, Mississippi, has said he is intend to seek a review on this decision with the Supreme Court. Thank you, Mississippi.
You know, I only have one thing to say about that. That sounds eerily like a corporation or a private entity seeking special treatment, which would mean that they would fall under the classification of a taxable. Correct? I don't believe this. This doesn't sound like separation of church and state to me at all.
Well, the Mississippi governor, Phil Bryant, has signed.
A true friend of ours, I'm sure.
He signed the bill, and it is sweeping discrimination against LGBT people, probably the worst in the country, and it will go in effect on October 6th, this Friday. I know people live in Mississippi that listen to the show and so forth and so on. You and I have said it before. We live in two different countries. And
you tell me that bill would ever have been drafted or even passed in Connecticut?
No.
Ohio?
Probably not.
Oregon?
It's Mississippi, Alabama, and Arkansas, number 48, 49, and 50th, and everything.
And now they're number one though in this area. So it's good to be one for something.